you're looking for clothesline installation in the eastern suburbs of Brisbane, you've come to the right place. Lifestyle Clotheslines is a leading clothesline supplier and installer for the eastern suburbs of Brisbane, as we stock all the leading brands for you such as Hills, Austral, City Living and Versaline clotheslines. If you need any help at all in choosing the right clothesline for your eastern suburbs home in Brisbane or the specific type of living situation that you have, please feel free to give us a call today on 1300 798 779 or visit us online at lifestyleclotheslines.com.au as our friendly staff are here to help.